In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use polar array in AutoCAD step by step so you can quickly copy objects in a perfect circular pattern. This is one of the most useful tools in AutoCAD when you need evenly spaced copies around a center point, and it can save you a huge amount of time compared to drawing each item manually. Whether you're working on mechanical parts, architectural details, or any design that needs symmetry, polar array is a tool you'll want to know. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Make sure the object you want to copy is already drawn and ready to use. It can be a simple line, block, shape, or any object that needs to repeat around a circle. Once your drawing is open, select the object you want to copy in a circular pattern. You'll know it's selected when the grips or highlight appear around it. Now, to start the command, type ARRAYPOLAR into the command line and press Enter. If you prefer, you can also type Array and then choose the polar option from the array tools. Either way, AutoCAD will switch you into polar array mode. After that, AutoCAD will ask you to specify the center point of the array. This is the point around which all of the copies will rotate. Click the exact center point where you want the pattern to be built. This part is important because the center point controls the shape and spacing of the entire circular array. As soon as you click the center, AutoCAD will show a preview of the array. Move your cursor around and watch how the copies rotate around the center point. This preview helps you see whether the spacing and direction look correct before you commit to it. When the pattern looks right, click to confirm the placement. Next, look at the array creation options, either on screen or in the command line. Here you can adjust the number of items. This setting controls how many copies appear in the circular pattern. If you want more duplicates, increase the number. If you want fewer, reduce it. Then set the angle to fill. In most cases, you'll want to use 360 degrees for a full circle, which spreads the copies evenly all the way around the center point. If you only want the objects to fill part of a circle, you can change this angle to something smaller. Once the number of items and angle are set correctly, press Enter to finalize the array. AutoCAD will create the polar array and place all the copies in the circular pattern you defined. And that's it. You've successfully used polar array in AutoCAD. This command is incredibly helpful when you need precise, repeated geometry arranged around a center. The more you use it, the faster your workflow will become. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.